Purple deadnettle is considered a superfood by herbalists, but one of its benefits makes it especially noteworthy. It's not only high in vitamin C, A, K, calcium, iron, and fiber, like a lot of other greens. It contains quercetin for inflammation and allergies, so right on time for spring hay fever. Its antioxidant effects are even more powerful than ascorbic acid. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, great for candida yeast infection. It has been shown to help break up kidney stones with its diuretic properties. And most important, purple deadnettle inhibits the release of prostaglandins, which is also what ibuprofen does, so it's great to reduce pain naturally. Leaves and stems are edible and can be eaten raw, cooked, or brewed as tea.